The application of hydro-clean LDS includes removing all kinds of solder residues, removing contamination from handling and board manufacturing, removing FOD, cleaning of highly populated electronic assemblies with no standoff, such as FC, BGA, CSP, BTC, QFN, MELF, cleaning of micromechanical components, power electronics, sensitive electronic devices, and one-side misprints on complex assemblies, cleaning of all kinds of stencils, cleaning before conformal coating, and wire bonding. LDS provides triple capacity configuration to clean more PCBs at one time. Chinese and English operation interface removes language barrier. Door is night for easy handle. Illuminated glass door chamber for video process control. Adopts linear direct spraying for equal washing of entire surface. Unique nozzle design for cleaning of highly populated electronic assemblies with no standoff. Double rings for best cleaning results. Hot air live drying greatly shortens the drying cycle, makes better efficiency. Recirculating filtration of chemicals and rinsed water minimize the consumption. Closed loop cleaning achieves zero drying, free from